Good afternoon, first standard. Today, let us learn how to round a given number to the nearest hundred. Nearest hundred. In the previous class, you learned how to round a number to the nearest 10. To round a number to the nearest 10, you should check the ones digit. Right? But here we are rounding the number to the nearest hundred. Nearest hundred. So look at the tens digit. Look at the tens digit. If it is less than 5, then round the number down by changing the tens digit and ones digit to 0. Round down the number by changing the tens digit and ones digit to 0. Okay. If the tens digit is 5 or more than 5, then round the number up by adding 1 to the hundreds digit and changing the tens and ones digit to 0. Okay. So children, here we are rounding a number to the nearest hundred. When rounding to the nearest hundred, look at the tens digit of the number. നമ്മളൊരു നമ്പറിനെ ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സിലോട്ട് റൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ടെൻസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് ആദ്യം നോക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ടെൻസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് ഹൺഡ്രഡിലോട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ റൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. സോ ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദ ടെൻസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് ഫസ്റ്റ്. If the tens digit is less than 5, if the tens digit is less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are less than 5. Then replace the tens digit and the ones digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Okay, replace the tens and ones digit by 0. Replace means you should change that digit as 0. Okay, then keep the other digit as there. ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സ് പ്ലേസിലെ ഡിജിറ്റ് അതുപോലെ എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ, ഇഫ് ദ ടെൻസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് ഈസ് 5 ഓർ ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These digits are equal to 5 and greater than 5. Okay, then add 1 to the hundreds digit. Hundreds digitൻ്റെ കൂടെ 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. Then replace the tens and ones digit with 0. Replace the tens and ones digit with 0. Let me explain this, children. Here our first question is, first question is 307. 307. Here we are rounding this number to 100, nearest 100. Okay, rounding this number to nearest 100. So look at the tens digit. Tens digit first. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So look at the tens digit. Here the tens digit is 0. 0 is less than 5. 0 is less than 5. So replace the tens digit and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digit as it is. Okay, so change 7 as 0, that is ones digit. Then the tens digit itself is 0. Then write 3. This is our answer. 307 becomes 300. Okay, here we are rounding 307 to the nearest 100. So check the tens place. Tens place, which is 0 here. 0 is less than 5. So replace the ones digit and tens digit as zeros. Then write the hundreds digit. So our answer is 307. Okay. Next is 84. 84, which is a 2-digit number, children. Here the ones digit is 4 and tens digit is 8. Look at the tens digit, which is 8. 8 means more than 5. 8 is more than 5. So you should add 1 to the hundreds digit. Hundreds digit. Here nothing in hundreds digit. So put a 0. Okay. What is 0 plus 1? 1. Then change the tens place and ones place as zeros. So 4 becomes 0, 8 becomes 0 and 0 plus 1, 1. So our number is 100. 100. Okay. Children, here the digit at the tens place is 8. 8 means more than 5. More than 5. So you should add 1 to the hundreds place. Hundreds place. Here the hundreds place is empty. Empty means 100 place number ഒന്നും ഇല്ല. Digit ഒന്നും ഇല്ല. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ അവിടെ 0 ആണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക. Then you add 1 to 0. What is 0 plus 1? 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then write 1 and replace ones digit and tens digit by 0. So 84 becomes 100. 100. Okay. Now the next number is 781. Here the tens place is 8. 8 is more than 5. More than 5. So add 1 to the hundreds place. Add 1 to the hundreds place. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Then replace the tens place and ones place by 0. So our answer is 800. 800. Clear? Next is 853. 853. What is the first step, children? Check the digit at the tens place. Tens place. Tens place is 5. 5 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. So add 1 to the hundreds place. Add 1 to the hundreds place. What is 8 plus 1? 9. 9. Then replace tens place and ones place by zeros. So 853 becomes 900. 900. Because here the digit at the tens place is 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the hundreds place. Here hundreds place is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9 and replace the tens place and ones place by zeros. Tens place or ones place in 0 ki matya. So our answer is 900. Clear? Next is 637. 637. Same method, children. First check the digit at the tens place. 3. 3 is less than 5. Less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So replace ones place by 0. Then tens place also by 0. Then write the digit at the hundreds place. So 600 is our answer. Okay. 637 becomes 600. Here the digit at the tens place is 3, which is less than 5. So replace ones place and tens place by zeros and write the digit at the hundreds place. Okay. Next is 105. 105. Check the digit at the tens place, which is 0. 0 means which is less than 5. So replace the ones digit and tens digit by zeros. It is the tens digit is here 0, children. Then write the digit at the hundreds place. So 105 becomes 100. 100. Okay. Here the digit at the tens place is 0, which is less than 5. So we change the ones place and tens place as zeros and write the hundreds place. Okay, don't change the digit at the hundreds place. Next is 474. 474. Check the digit at the tens place 7. 7 is more than 5. So add 1 to the hundreds place. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So hundreds place is digit at the hundreds place is 5 and change the tens place and ones place as zeros. So 474 becomes 500. 500. Okay. Here the digit at the tens place is 7. That means which is more than 5. So add 1 to the digit at the hundreds place. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then replace the ones place and tens place by zeros. So our answer is 500. Replace means we are changing it as zeros. ആ ഡിജിറ്റ് ഇനി എഴുതാൻ പാടില്ല. 4ഉം 7ഉം എഴുതരുത്. അവിടെ നമ്മൾ സീറോസ് എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ. Our next number is 843. Check the digit at the tens place, which is 4. 4 means which is less than 5. Less than 5. So replace the ones digit and tens digit by zeros. Then write the digit at the hundreds place. Okay. Here 4 is less than 5. So replace ones place tens place 0 akka. Then hundreds place digit edda. Here the digit at the hundreds place is 8. So 843 becomes 800. 800. Okay. Next is 628. 628. What is the first step, children? Look at the digit at the tens place. That is 2. 2 is less than 5. Less than 5. So change the ones place and tens place as zeros. 0, 0. Ones place inum tens place inum pagaram nammal endu ezhuthi zeros. Then write the digit at the hundreds place. So 600 is our answer. Okay. So children, to round a number to the nearest 100, look at the tens digit of the number. Tens digit നോക്കണം. If the tens digit is less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. ഈ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഡിജിറ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ replace the tens digit and ones digit by 0. Tens digitum ones digitum 0 ആക്കി മാറ്റണം. Then keep the other digit, that the digit at the hundreds place as it is. Hundreds place അതുപോലെ എഴുതണം. Don't change the digit at the hundreds place. Okay. If the tens digit is 5 or greater than 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then add 1 to the hundreds digit. Hundreds digit inde കൂടെ 1 add ചെയ്യാം. Then replace the tens and ones digit with 0. Replace the tens and ones digit with 0. Okay. See children, in our answers 307 becomes 300. 84 becomes 100. 781 becomes 800. 853 becomes 900. 637 becomes 600. 105 becomes 100. Children, here these numbers ends with 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Okay. So when we are rounding a number to the nearest 100, the number ends with 2 zeros. Okay. നമ്മളൊരു നമ്പറിനെ നിയറസ്റ്റ് 100ലേക്ക് റൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആ നമ്പറിൻ്റെ എൻഡിങ് ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് 2 zeros ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ. 474 becomes 500. The number ends with 2 zeros. 843 becomes 800. This number ends with 2 zeros. 628 becomes 600. The number ends with 2 zeros. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Thank you, children.